Old toymaker Elio works in a small snowy shop that glows with gentle Christmas lights. His wooden toys softly move and shine while Christmas music plays outside in the frosty evening air. One day, the city plans to modernize streets and announces Elio's Christmas shop will soon close forever. Elio feels worried and fears the loss of magic children share in his Christmas workshop. Mr. Fairy leads the project and focuses on money, not the warm Christmas spirit around him. He walks through snowy streets and ignores joyful carols that fill the air with Christmas hope. Elio decides to create his greatest toy, a Christmas automaton that brings wonder to every heart. He works all night, shapes wood carefully, and paints bright colors while snow falls outside his window. The finished automaton stands proudly and glows with tiny lights that sparkle like Christmas stars. Elio invites Mr. Fairy to see the toy, hoping it opens his heart to Christmas wonder. The toy gently moves and tells a soft story that touches Mr. Fairy's long-lost Christmas memories. Mr. Fairy smiles warmly and saves the shop, letting Christmas magic shine again in the old street. Moral of the story: Christmas magic stays alive when we protect kindness, imagination, and the memories that warm our hearts.